Damaging winds affect nearly everyone, nearly everywhere. In fact, on average, there are over 18,000 severe wind events reported each year in the U.S. That's why GAF introduced an industry-first wind warranty for added peace of mind. GAF's WindProven Limited Wind Warranty is the industry's first wind warranty for shingles with no wind speed limit, and you're eligible when you install GAF shingles with LayerLock Technology and 4 required GAF accessories. However, not all wind warranties are created equal. Some traditional wind warranties have a maximum wind speed limit. The WindProven Limited Wind Warranty does not, meaning your shingles are covered no matter how hard the wind blows. Some standard wind warranties include a named storm exclusion, which limits coverage on hurricanes and tropical storms officially recognized by the World Meteorological Organization, even if they are within the warranty's wind speed coverage. The GAF WindProven Limited Wind Warranty does not, ensuring wind coverage that weathers the storm. And there's no additional cost or need to register. How are we confident enough to offer infinite wind speed protection? It's all about the technology. Engineered for the best installation, GAF shingles with LayerLock Technology mechanically fuse the common bond between overlapping layers of a shingle. This powers the strike zone, the industry's largest nailing area, allowing a true asphalt-to-asphalt bond. No synthetic tapes needed. First, GAF DuraGrip sealant pairs with the smooth microgranule surface of the strike zone nailing area for a fast tack. Then, the asphalt-to-asphalt bond helps seal the shingles tightly at the leading edge of each row to reduce the risk of blow-offs and water penetration. This combination of innovative technologies is what allows GAF to offer the WindProven Limited Wind Warranty on shingles, available when you install GAF shingles with LayerLock Technology and 4 required GAF accessories. These components work together for maximum wind protection. That includes GAF's #1 selling shingle, Timberline HDZ. Because our legacy is your peace of mind. Don't let the wind win. Protect your investment with Timberline shingles and the GAF WindProven Limited Wind Warranty today.